Face diet, key line: get rid of swollen puffy eyes. Use your middle fingers on both sides to lightly press down on the upper eyelid. Repeat 3 times. Use your middle finger on both sides to lightly press. Follow the lower eye socket. Repeat 3 times. Loosen the tightness of the muscles by using your middle finger and ring finger both to massage the temples to number 8, with the temples being the center point. Repeat 5 times. Use the middle finger on both sides to massage around the eyelid muscles. Massage in small, large circular motions repeatedly. Repeat 5 times. Place your finger on the eyelid, lightly press and then release. Repeat 5 times. Use the middle finger and ring finger on both sides of the upper eyelid and skin under the eyes, from the head to the temples and then sloping down to the collarbone. Repeat 5 times.